Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to this weekly reading. This is hi from me and my baby hair, which are like, they are super rebellious. So I don't spend much time trying to, like bring them or down or whatever. Okay. So, how are you feeling today and how are you truly feeling today? Like, rather than picking up an energy from someone around you or a friend or a partner that you know, rather than picking an energy that truly does not belong to you, how are you feeling today? Today we'll be doing card reading from two card decks. One is the Dr. Wayne Dyer's inspiration card. So it's like a very beautiful card deck with different creatives, and then there is a like extended text behind it, and the second is healing with the angels. Okay, this is like one of the oldest card deck. Okay, so we'll be drawing two cards asking what is the overarching scheme and the energy of this week for every one of us, and also because we are going through a new moon in Cancer today, and it's a very big, like you would hear everybody saying ki this full moon or this new moon and like this is the time or like that, but I would really want to tell you that every day could be a time for you, or every day could be a transformation space for you. Like, of course, when there are things which are working in a very supreme power, like new moons and full moons and eclipse, and when there is maybe a birthday or some, like, I don't know, a ritual or some religious thing happening in your space, and that is affecting you, of course, it has a very different energy for you to move from one space to another. Like, for example, if you're moving from a 2 BHK home to a 5 BHK home, of course, there is a transformation that you experience. But the space changing and the timeline does not have to be restricted to such moments, and it could be from any time that you decide you want to make a change or you want to do something for yourself in your life. So, just asking angels how, and universe and higher self, what is that they want us to know for this week. I usually don't like to plan or structure this thing, because I really like the flow of energies, how it goes, and that is one of the reasons that I always plan to do this video not more than 12 or 13 minutes, but it always goes past 15 to 16 minutes. Anyways, so the first card that we are drawing is from the healing with the angels, and let us see what is that one message that the angels want us to know. Okay. Okay. So okay, there are two cards that came up, and they do have a very different energy. So the first card, the question that I was asking in my head is, and I said it out loud, was what is that one energy that we all need to know, or the guidance that the higher self is telling us. And is there something on the screen? No. So it was this balance card, and it's a very beautiful card, and so the our higher self is telling us to create a balance in our life. It could be balance between our emotional to physical strength, or it could be from a workspace to what we are doing in our life. And to understand, there's a very strong message that the angels are telling, that often we try to trip ourselves saying that we don't have enough time for this and that, but the moment you say that you don't have time, you are blocking yourself from the all the time that you really have for yourself. So it could be that you might have an extra half an hour or 1 hour to do, maybe play something or read a book, but because you keep affirming yourself, oh, I don't have time, I'm so busy and there's so much happening, so there is no time for you because you're so overwhelmed just saying to yourself that there is no time. So the higher self is telling you to draft some time out of your own space, because you do have enough, and find a balance where you're lacking, where you're overwhelming yourself, maybe with too much work, but it's not making you find that joy, or maybe with too much fun things and that's not making, like for example, probably 2 weeks before I binged watch on some series, and then by the end of it I did not really enjoyed it. So maybe you are doing something for fun, but it is really not making you feel all that fun. So find that balance this week and move from that space. And the second card that came up was enchantment, and the message that the higher self wanted us to know is we are missing the energy of enchantment in our life. And I'll put up the photo of this, and you can see the horse is like inhaling, and you can almost see the air coming out of his nose, and it's like we need to release all the, like all that we are holding up to ourselves, release all of that worries and fears, and allow ourselves again to believe in magic, and again to believe what are the real enchantment, like magical or miraculous thing that can happen around us. Like, let us all release that fear of unknown, or fear of uncertainty, or always worrying and always stressing about something. Let us all, okay, how about let us do it now. So if you're watching this video, you can, if you're watching it while you're moving, so maybe you can take a seat and sit down by yourself, and just for a moment we will breathe in and breathe out. And let us all together release and release all the worries, all the fears, all that no longer serves us, and invite with our open arms. Like, my arms are literally open right now, so you can also do that, like with our open arms, to allow all the magic and enchanting things into our lives. Do this for yourself. Like, before doing it for someone else, do it for yourself, to release all the worries and stress. Everything can be taken care of when you are well and when you are in your beautiful space, right? So do that for yourself. Okay, so beautiful. Like, actually it's not even a horse, it's a unicorn, so it goes on another level of being magical. Okay, this is the same card deck. Sorry, let us go on to our second card. So this is how I always think that maybe I'll do a 2 or 3 card, but then always there's something more that the angels want to tell. Okay, this card is like it should not be in the deck. So the card that came up is exercise your free will, and there's a beautiful text that is written behind it. Don't assume that just because God is all knowing, every problem is going to be handled for you. Remind yourself that you are a co-creator, you are a piece of God. You have the free will to choose either to be or not to be consciously connected with the creative spirit. So, okay, it's a very not like an alarming, but it's like it is a message that is going with this card, that is balance. I just asked in my mind, like, what is that one inspiration we can go forward for this week, and it was exercise your free will. Like, often people will tell you that you're supposed to do something, or the should, or you have to have like something particular, like you have to have a big phone to do something like this, or you have to have a car to have a road trip, or I don't know, any bullshit thing that people tell you. It could not be true for you. You can always practice your own free will. If you want to go for a road trip, hire a car. Like, rent a car rather than believing and thinking, oh, when I will get a car, only then I will do a road trip. Like, it's like you are on a never ending spree and it's not taking you anywhere. And assuming that God, because God is all knowing and He will do all the work for me, that happens sometimes, but often God really want us to work together. Like, if I tell God that, okay, fine, I am done with my part of making this video and sharing it on Instagram, so God can take care of, you know making it a point that this video or this thing reaches the people who really want to hear this message. And that is like how we work with our higher self, and that is how we like co-create a universe with the God. And you are a piece of God, and you have the free will to choose either to be or not to be consciously connected with that creative spirit. Like, it's all up to your choice. You can't blame on to things which are not happening in your life, and then you know like believe that it's because you are getting punished or something. No, it does not happen like that. Maybe you have not consciously chosen to be working with creative spirit or listen to that higher self. So okay, it's like too much. Yeah, so exercise your free will and understand what is that you're holding yourself. Like, consciously, subconsciously, we do say things like, saying, I want to be happy only when I have a, I don't know, just, okay, I'll be happy only when I have like 5 card decks. And you are happy, but you can't see that happiness because you don't have 5 card decks now. So you need to release that thought and feeling of working with your co-creator but confusing it all by giving them mixed messages. You need to allow yourself to co-create with that God and that creative spirit. Like, if you're getting ideas to do something, work upon it. If you don't want to work upon it, then tell out loud that you're not ready now. And maybe they can tell you this idea later. Or for example, if you get an idea to make a product, like it happens to me, like if I get an idea to make a product and I feel I don't have resources, so rather than getting stressed, I just tell that, okay, fine, you gave me this idea, now give me all the resources so that I can make this product. I can't do this by my own, and you have to provide me with some resources, and let's see how we can work upon it. So you need to be more conversative about what you really want in your life rather than just snapping at what are the things that are not working in your life. And it will change a lot of things for you. And yeah, it was like too much of messages for this week. And I earlier I planned for a new moon meditation today, that is new moon in Cancer. But personally, I felt like there was a calling, or there is a space where I feel that I want to do more of one-on-one session, like personal sessions. It could be related to, like, if you're seeking to have your own personal, like downloaded or guided meditation for yourself, so you can contact me for that. Or if you want a card reading done, if you want a healing session done, clearing of your aura, or someone else, then you can let me know. We also do, like, I also work with chakra energies and how to balance and work with your different 7 chakras of your body, like micro and mini micro and okay, micro and mini chakras of the 7 chakras. So there are a lot of things that I do, but I have been catering a lot in group set since past few weeks. But personally, I feel I'm moving into a space where I want to cater to more one-on-one, sessions. So let me know if you're still looking for some particular healing or some particular clarity in your life, maybe related to your relationship, money, career, purpose of life, meditation, spirituality, like the world is, it's an endless thing, so you can let me know. If you want to have, if you have a group of people and you want to experience some particular meditation, like healing meditation or relaxing meditation or releasing meditation or manifesting new intentions meditation, so you can let me know and then we can arrange something for you. Like I can arrange something. When I say we, I mean me and the higher self. Like it's a soulpreneur thing that I'm doing right now behind the Raksha, like my services and the Turkey, my products. It's completely, you know me as a whole soul with all my higher self and supportive people in my life. So yeah, that's all for this week. um, Create a balance in your life. See where you're lacking balance, where you're overdoing it or underdoing it, not doing anything, or and then allow yourself to see more magical things in life rather than being always cynical and skeptical about how things would always go wrong. Don't do that. And practice free will. That is, allow yourself to work with the god or whatever energy that you believe in. If you don't feel comfortable yet to work with them, then be conversative and tell them, so that they allow you to be in that space where you can get a little conversative about it. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. And again, it is past 15 minutes. I'm really sorry if this is like a bit too long. I'm really working on it, but I really can't help and structure this guidance that I get, because it's not like a scripted thing. So bear with me and have patience, because the universe wants to talk with you, and this is what happens in my sessions also. Like I don't have a time limit or charge per hour or half an hour. If I decide to have a session with you, it will go on until I have delivered all the message to you and you are clear on your path. So this is how I work with my energy and higher self, because I feel I'm like a very small speck of this God that wants to be of a service for you and for them. So that's it. Thank you so much for being here and supporting and spreading all the love and kindness that you do in your own simple or particular way. Have lots of fun and happy new moon in Cancer today. Drink lots of water. And what else? Have a beautiful life. Bye.